Because I want more toys.
Well, where are we going to put them? We have too many toys.
I want those boxes removed into my room with a plate, something, whatever, and put them away in my room. That's what you need to do tonight.
But I have too much stuff downstairs.
So, you can just organize them. I'll go do it right now. What if you bring that shelf, put my house like it was when we had old s'mores? Why don't you put it like that now? It's much better like that. I don't like it like this. 'Cause that, if you do that upstairs, then we can put my new toys in there. Whatever I bring, if you put it up here again, we can put my new toys. There's buckets and shells.
I think we have too many toys.
I know. I don't, because we don't play with the ones downstairs, because we're not being downstairs.
You can go downstairs and play with them.
I can't play in Colton's room. Seriously? Are you kidding me?
Well, how are we going to organize all of it?
Just remove the boxes, put it like our old house. That's how you can fix our house. I'm so tired of this house.
What?
I'm so tired of the downstairs.